everyone, Maggie in front.
And Kate's behind the camera.
And we're doing a walkthrough of Michaela's fabulous Guinevere album and the box that it comes in. So she's decorated the front. This is Stamperia papers. I think it's called Ballerina, or it might be called Dream of Me. So this is the box. That's the back there. And then the album.
That's clever.
In the side there. And
what it pulled towards me,
yeah. What dyes has she used? She's used. She's
used the brad flaps.
Yeah.
And she's used.
Is it a precision strip? She's used.
It looks like it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. I love how she's used the brad flaps. It's really effective. So we'll open this out. And then this Guinevere album is designed by Paul Ford.
Lang. Paul Ford Lang.
Oh, Paul Langford.
Paul Lang, sorry, yes. Paul.
Yeah. Sorry, Paul. we get there in the end. Okay, so Michaela's, she's mitered the corners beautifully. And she's used our Memories dye. Again, that is coming back into stock. Can you see it okay?
Yeah, do you want to move it a tad towards you?
Yeah.
Not too much, because you're going to be overshadowed. And I'll zoom in a bit. You can get a better look at it. That's it. It's just a tad towards you a bit more. That way. That's it, perfect.
Okay. Right, so you can see here, so you've got your acetate aperture and you've got your dress there, and then when you go in the back you can see the back of the dress there. Very clever. Nice mitered corners again. And then here she's made little a tuck pocket. I think this is this Michaela's second or third album?
Probably I think it's the third.
Yeah. So here we have Mexican whiskers for the pocket. And we have Mexican whiskers for the pocket here. And then when we carry on in here, we've got another tuck pocket there. And there we have photo spots cut out. And I've just noticed this. This is from our very original, very it is, isn't it?
Because it's straight. Yes, it is.
But if you like that design, I'm saying nothing, but...
She is. She's about to say something.
So... I've got the prototypes in my car. So, oops. Okay, right. So she's used, again, she's followed the theme of the Mexican whiskers all the way through. So she's cut the page edges there. She's got a tuck spot there. You really can't tell that's there at all, can you? That's why I love these whisker dies, because everything fits in. That's your straight pocket slot.
Oh, she's put the waist back in so it's invisible.
Yeah.
But she's used the Mexican on the flap as well.
Yes. So that goes in there. And then that goes in there, and that is I think that's a Victorian whisker. Yeah, that's like
Victorian.
Yep. Okay, and then here she's used, this is an expanding dumbbell, and she's used a brad in there. And she's used the set one photo slots in there. That's nice how that's been done. And that is beautiful. Thank you, Michaela.
It was a lovely album.
Lovely.
Thank you.